Guys, see this. Did you hear that? That crispy sound says it all. I've made stuffed moong dal dosa, perfect for breakfast, lunch, or even dinner. No fermentation, no fuss, and packed with veggies and protein. This dosa is not just crispy, it's high protein, wholesome, and absolutely delicious. Hey my foodies, welcome back to Dash of Delight. I am Soumya. I'm taking 1.5 cups of yellow moong dal. Before soaking, I always wash the dal really well at least 2 times. I gently rub it while washing because this helps remove any dust, residue or excess starch. Now we need to soak it. So yellow moong dal doesn't take much time to soak. Normally just 2 to 3 hours are enough, and honestly even 2 hours work perfectly. But if you are really short on time or in a hurry like me today, here's a super helpful trick. Soak the moong dal in hot water. I didn't even have the time to wait for 2 hours today, so I used hot water. And this works beautifully, guys. Alright, now let's prepare the stuffing. I have very finely chopped 2 carrots, 2 green bell peppers, and some green peas in my manual chopper. You can totally customize this, add sweet corn, spinach, green beans, whatever veggies you like. Then heat 1 tablespoon of oil in a pan, add 1 heaped teaspoon of grated ginger followed by green chilies. You can always adjust the green chilies as per your spice level. Saute the ginger and chilies for a couple of minutes and then add all the chopped vegetables and season it with some salt and black pepper. Keep the flame on high and saute continuously. We want the veggies crunchy, not soggy. That's very important. This step hardly takes around 5 to 7 minutes. Then once the veggies are just cooked but still have a bite, switch off the gas. Finish it with freshly chopped coriander or cilantro leaves. Alright, now comes the protein boost. Grate about 50 grams of paneer directly into the hot vegetable mixture. If you are a vegan or watching calories, simply replace paneer with tofu. The taste and texture are equally amazing. Since the gas is already switched off, the paneer or tofu softens gently without releasing water. Mix everything well and let the stuffing cool down completely. Our flavorful, high-protein stuffing is ready now. Alright, now back to our soaked moong dal. So it's been around 45 to 50 minutes. See this, how nicely it's been soaked. So just in order to show you, I'm breaking one dal with my thumb and look how easily it breaks. So this is the sign that the moong dal is perfectly soaked and ready to be grinded. So drain the water completely and transfer the soaked moong dal into a blender jar. Add a few pieces of ginger, salt as per your taste, and just a pinch of asafoetida or hing. Blend it into a smooth batter. Now transfer the batter into a bowl. Add a pinch of turmeric powder. This gives the dosa a beautiful yellow color. Mix everything well. The batter should be of pouring consistency but not runny. And that's it. Our instant moong dal dosa batter is ready. Alright, now I have taken an iron tawa or griddle, which I highly recommend for dosas. Brush the tawa with some oil and heat it up properly. When you start seeing the smoke, lower down the flame and pour in about 1.5 to 2 tablespoons of batter. Spread it gently in circular motions, just like this. We are making a slightly thick dosa, not too thin. If you spread it too thin, it turns crispy like papad, which we obviously don't want. But this thickness gives you a crispy outside and soft inside dosa. Once the dosa starts releasing from the tawa, add a generous amount of stuffing in the center. Wait for about 30 seconds, then gently fold it over. Look at this, guys. Crispy outside, soft inside, loaded with veggies and protein. Moong dal on the outside, paneer or tofu inside, along with lots and lots of veggies. This is definitely a power-packed meal. So please try this recipe at home and tell me how it turned out. If you loved this recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Dash of Delight for more healthy and delicious recipes. Until next time, happy cooking!